We're going to talk about some new configurations of some bundles.
Coming up, there we go. Right. Let's go ahead and talk about what's the first combo that we were wanting to
Let's talk about. So we're going to talk about our applique bundle first. So in the bundle is our Glow Premium 2. It is
the newest glow board.
The newest glow board. It
all
is
the bells
our
and whistles.
Tempered glass mat.
People love this. Can't do without the tempered glass mat.
It is 2 magnets.
Magnet set.
Because there's magnetic plates built
in the board.
And it is also our
love this
clear cutting mat.
Clear cutting mat. Combo is going to exist. Combo is on sale for, I believe, a little over 15%.
Yeah,
like $2.99. So it's
almost
like
20% off. Almost
$60-something off. What that is. Plus, we're including 2 of the $40
fat quarter
bundle bags at no additional cost. But this is something that normally a lot of people. So, Melody, if you put this together, what was going through your mind when you decided to do what we're calling this applique?
So this is what when I was planning the Fall Fest during Houston and just before Houston, I was trying to think, like Nathan said, I'm trying to think of a new way to do things.
I've done that here at Caterpillar.
Yeah.